Hey guys, my name is Parsh and this is
Ayan.
Today we are making a mug cake and this is our first day of Mom and Sons. We started a new channel just today. Okay, now let's get started. First, take 4 tablespoons Maida. Then add 2 tablespoons cocoa powder. Then add 2.5 tablespoons sugar. Add 1/4 TSP of baking powder. If you want to add salt, you can also add salt, but we are not using salt here. Now mix it well.
Sparsh, you can help.
Yeah. Oh, are you doing it for the first time?
Yeah.
Oh, then let's see how it is. Where did you eat it the first time? In a hot restaurant, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go for the wet ingredients. First, let's add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then we will add 5 tablespoons milk. Now, if you wanted more chocolatey,
Mix.
and now if you wanted more chocolatey, then you can add choco chips. I am adding 1 tablespoon choco chips. Okay, now mix it well and then put it in the oven. Now add a few more chocolate chips on top. For 2 minutes. Hey guys, it's almost ready. Now look, only 10 seconds left. Then we can take out our mug cake and let's see how much yummy it is. Wow, look at that. Looks so good. Look, our mug cake is ready. Look how yummy it looks. Wow. Now let's eat it. If you like our channel, please subscribe and don't forget to share this video on Twitter or Facebook. Bye.
Bye.
See you later.